We could use
What?
it! Oh!
Witty matcha.
Welcome back, classmates! Are you also excited for the episode 3 of Solo Leveling? Since we finished off last week with the high rank dungeon, Yunho has been suspicious of Jinu. So what's gonna happen next?
That's right, classmates. And also, let's not forget that Jinho was so suspicious of Jinwoo because he was with his sister's friend. And
Here we go with the names again.
yeah, and when he mentioned that she was underage, Jinwoo was so nonchalant about it.
So what are we waiting for? Solo Leveling? Solo Leveling Season 2, Episode 3?
Now serving. Oh, okay. So we're starting already with the dungeon.
Oh, so they enter a dungeon.
Mhm.
Just the three of them? Or just the two of them?
Yeah, just the two of them. And this time they're sitting.
They're just watching Igris do his job.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Iron!
Yep. Iron is comedic. It's so funny. Oh, so are there also the ones that are digging this gems?
I was so disappointed because he doesn't need to do any efforts anymore.
Huh? Oh no.
Okay, so this
Whoa.
guy speaking English.
Yeah. Wait, we're getting another character here?
I guess a new one. Who is this?
I want to go home. Okay, you go home.
Celebration.
That's it. 19. Okay, that's a lot. Oh, I thought he's already a guild master.
It was still his father's company.
Mm-hmm. Out of touch? But he's already drunk. So cute.
No, he was not thinking that way.
This is already drunk, Jinho.
Yes, he is.
Oh.
Some drama. I can take it seriously.
Yeah, so this is what happens when you drink. Always with the drama.
Oh, oh, it did not respond.
Oh my
At least
god.
say something. Aw, that's so sweet.
Oh my god. Eat up all the meat you want.
It would ruin his figure, okay? So please don't.
We want the figure. We want the figure. Oh, what? He was captured already?
Hmm.
Trapped inside? What was that even? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think it's possible because Jinwo and the others were able to experience it.
What?
Huh? Oh! Oh! We're getting this man.
Mr. Wang.
Mr. Wang.
Dong.
He's Dongso!
So,
Dongso!
so they're trying to identify who he was.
I kept forgetting that she's his sister.
Now it makes me think, what if his little brother, considered little brother and sister met?
Yeah. Oh, so he's going back.
Yeah.
But he hasn't completed the thing, right? He has to
Yeah,
like
not yet.
so that's why he's gonna be gone. Because he's entering the red gate again. Ooh.
Would he able to handle it this time?
He should. I mean, he has more what do you call this shadow warriors.
Yeah, with him.
Yep.
At first he was alone, now he
Mm-hmm.
has a lot of them.
Mm-hmm.
Eh?
So he'll get more. Yeah, elixir of life. Whoa. So much. Wait, he's doing it alone?
Oh, there it is. He want to take over.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so they already have their info about him.
Oh, they have the
Oh,
informations already.
yep. So I think we're having good news here. Are we getting approval here or what? Eh? What?
Okay, there's a catch. Oh no.
Oh!
Okay.
Of course, he can have Jinwoo. They're like brothers now.
I don't know, but I felt like
What?
this is a trap.
Okay. They just want to use Jinwoo.
They want to get more information about him. How could he survive?
Mm-hmm.
And then expose him, I guess.
Okay. He's going to fly? He's going to ride a bear. Damn, Jinwoo, that's cheating. That's cheating! Scammer Jinwoo.
They're still on his way.
Mm-hmm. Whoa!
Ooh, throw it away.
Oh, nice for you. You got a name. And he isn't really good at naming things. Eh, what's this?
First
Oh my
glimpse of
god.
Tae.
Yeah. Yeah, I think some people are extremely happy. My boy is here. So she can't speak about it.
Seventh floor.
Mm-hmm.
So it really takes a while because
Mm-hmm.
the dungeon has 100 floor.
So by the time he gets out of here, he's already super, super strong. Yeah, I see we're fast forwarding everything.
He was collecting souls.
Yep, and he made it. He passed the requirements. Okay, so there's another boss. Oh,
Oh,
this
it's a
could
nice
be.
army.
Yeah. That could be an additional to his army. There we go. Those three that he named are already by his side.
Fifth floor.
Oh, these are the scouts. Oh, there she is. The girl from the dungeon last time.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, so confident. I don't know. I feel like I still like the first time he entered. He was like, "Yeah, I'm just gonna do this by myself."
Thought he could handle this on his own, but
Mm,
nah.
yep.
He was just standing there watching them
Uh
fight for
huh.
him.
Uh huh. Ah, it's gone.
Okay.
Whoa.
Oops! It was aiming
Yeah.
for him.
Uh huh. Uh huh. Damn. Even his punch is strong. Just one punch? No. He's been doing what's this? Saitama's training too much. Let's go, Iron.
Ooh, he could borrow it!
Oh!
He could use
What?
it!
What?
Oh!
Didn't know that. Awesome. Did you? Did you? Did you? Ah, what? Wait, what?
What was that? I can't see anything. It was so fast.
Yeah. Oh. Uh-huh. But I think Cerberus from last time is much more difficult than this one. I'm not sure.
It looks easy because he was stronger, you know?
Oh.
But that is a lower monster, okay?
Oh, nice. Jinwoo, make it slower. Everything's moving too fast. My eyes can't keep up.
Oh, his clothes, his eyes.
He's fun delayed.
What does he mean?
What? So something big is coming or something? Something?
This guy knows something.
Mm-hmm. Avert that catastrophe. Okay.
Dongsu, you don't know anything. What a revelation here!
What the heck? Freaking no way! Freaking no way! No way! No way! No way! They asked the wrong guy. Damn!
You liar.
Is this even real?
What? Where he been all this
So
time?
Jinwoo's dad really is a hunter.
What? He was like an avatar and vanished?
I vanished for
When
10 years.
Jinwoo need him the most?
Uh-huh. And that's it? It's already done? He's getting too strong too fast. Wait, no way, they fought? Oh, his dad is S rank? You gotta be kidding me.
Hmm? Oh!
Oh!
And
Oh, no
then
freaking way! No freaking
his
way!
hand! It's
Damn!
gone.
Wasn't expecting Dongsu to go down that fast. We didn't even get to see it. Yeah, weird accessories.
New items. I hope Jinho's armor is like that. You can see it.
Yeah.
So it doesn't look awkward.
Maybe he could gift Gino an armor that's invisible. Oh, so he already has two of three. He's almost at his goal.
Whoa.
No, I don't think he's gonna achieve it.
There would be a reunion.
Yeah.
Oh no.
And that was it.
We are cut off with that. Ah.
Yeah.
I
So,
thought he was collected at least the last one for this episode.
really?
No, he doesn't. But I was expecting that he would be having it at this episode. So
Oh,
for the next episode, we could see if the elixir of life would work to his mother.
okay. I was thinking
And
something
no,
different.
it was not. Like expecting for the next episode is the elixir would work and then his father would came back
Uh-huh.
and then what's gonna be their reaction?
Family reunion in the next episode.
Reunion in the next episode, yeah.
No, I don't think so. I don't think it's gonna happen. Like the family reunion is gonna happen too soon. I mean, because the father is now like what, a fugitive after his fight with Dongsu. I mean, damn, I'm so disappointed
I
with this
wanna
guy.
I wanna see it. How it happened.
Yeah, because last week, it was last week, right? That we didn't get to see. They were almost about to fight. Yunho and Dongsu, and then
Dongsu.
and then they stopped it. And then this time, he gets beaten up. Like, what happened?
What happened? The whole building got ruined also.
Yeah.
Is that how he's strong?
Mm-hmm. I mean, 10 years in the dungeon. I think it's possible that he'd get that strong. But
Who is stronger?
yeah, who's stronger now?
the, the one with the daily routine of Saitama? Or the one who got stranded in the dungeon for 10 years?
This is something to look forward to. Although, at that last part, I wasn't really expecting Jiro would be able to collect anything. I thought that
At least he has to. Yeah.
at least he has two now. So he's already closer to his goal.
So what do you think, classmates?
Comment your thoughts below.